Energy drinks, they're everywhere. Red Bull, Monster, Celsius, and most of them have one thing in common: taurine. But here's the big question I keep hearing. Does taurine cause cancer? Hi, I'm Simran from Padamology, and I break down real-world science behind cancer, clinical trials, and health myths. Today we're diving into taurine, what it is, what the research says, and whether it's something you actually need to worry about. So what is taurine? Taurine is an amino acid, and fun fact, your body makes it naturally. It's also found in foods like meat, fish, and dairy. And it's also involved in several vital functions such as balancing electrolytes, supporting your nervous system, and helping your heart and muscles work properly. So why is it in energy drinks? Well, taurine may help with physical endurance, mental performance, and reducing muscle fatigue, though the evidence is mixed. Now here's the big question. Does taurine cause cancer? And here's the science. There's no strong evidence that taurine causes cancer in humans. The European Food Safety Authority concluded that taurine is safe at the levels found in energy drinks. The FDA has not classified taurine as a carcinogen. And in some lab studies, taurine even showed potential anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which may protect cells from damage. But here's where it gets tricky. When people blame energy drinks for cancer and other health risks, they're not usually talking about taurine alone. So what's the real risk in energy drinks? Well, energy drinks are a cocktail of ingredients. Besides taurine, you've got high caffeine, added sugars or artificial sweeteners, and other stimulants like ginseng. And those, especially in high amounts, are what concern many doctors and researchers. High sugar intake is linked to obesity and inflammation, both of which can increase the risk of cancer over time. Excess caffeine, well, that can stress the heart and nervous system. And some artificial sweeteners are still under review for long-term safety. So to be super clear, taurine itself is not a known cancer-causing agent, but energy drinks as a whole, that's where moderation matters. If you're drinking one occasionally and you're otherwise healthy, you're probably fine. But if you're having multiple cans daily, especially with other stimulants or poor diet habits, that's when it's worth rethinking. Science is constantly evolving, but for now, taurine doesn't deserve the blame when it comes to cancer. If you learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world cancer content, and share this with a friend who's chugging drinks like it's water. Thank you.